Jesus Christ. I am so glad I really stopped to do some research. And I was curious. When I got this thing, I researched it. Like right away, I couldn't find anything. I couldn't find anything that looked like it. I couldn't find anything similar. I couldn't find anybody talking about it. This thing was made in the dead center of the Great Depression, and adjusted for inflation was worth, in the middle of the Great Depression, $14,000. $14,000 in today's money in the middle of the Great Depression. Bro, we're not even in a fucking recession anymore, technically. And ain't nobody spending $14,000 on a mower